To ensure clean air, filters are used in a wide variety of applications. We've developed a way to significantly optimize these filters. Through the use of metal organic frameworks in activated carbon, MOFs for short. Filters are usually made of materials such as activated carbon. Activated carbon can remove most substances from any mixture. However, some unpleasant odors and pollutants continue to pass through. Our MOFs close these gaps. Their properties can be adjusted to filter out specific pollutants. We can develop a suitable filter for any application. MOFs can therefore be customized or combined according to requirements. We can develop a suitable filter for any application. In this way, harmful vehicle emissions can be avoided. Staff and residents can be protected from odors and pollutants. MOFs can also be used for sensitive spaces, such as hospitals, so that no pollutants can penetrate from outside. No matter the application, MOFs create a world with better air to breathe. What do you want to filter? Hashtag we know how. Fraunhofer ICT. By the way, also relevant for your personal protection.